Hi, it's Andy here at Atkinson Specialist Vans. We've got an absolute beauty for you today. This is a lovely 2017 really high spec Volkswagen Transporter BiTDi Kombi, which has been transformed into a day van. We'll start at the front. It's got a lovely Sportline styling kit with the front spoiler and all the gloss black plastics. LED lights, one of the most expensive options on a Transporter. And as you can see, it's presented in deep black pearl, and the finish on the paint of this vehicle for a 5.5-year-old vehicle is absolutely superb. And needless to say, at nearly 50,000 miles and that age, there have been a few little touch-ins and marks that we've improved on the vehicle. It's not brand new, but it is absolutely lovely. It's got the angled sidebars, 20-inch matte black velour alloy wheels with Pirelli P0 tyres all round and coilover suspension, so it sits in a really sporty stance over those wheels and tyres. Now, as mentioned, this is the bi-turbo version, so it's the 204 PS with the DSG gearbox. It's got single captain seats up front. Upgrades include the Discover Media nav system in addition to the LED lights. Aircon and heated screen as standard on these, as is cruise control and a leather multifunction steering wheel. Now, in the rear is where a lot of the work's been done. So as mentioned, it can be used as a Kombi because it's got the rib bed here, which are also 3 belted seats, so still the same functionality as a Kombi, but this bed does slide out to provide a full double bed. Really useful for overnighters. It's got some good equipment in here too as well. So we've got a diesel night heater, and that just comes out of the pipe behind the driver's seat there. Make it nice and warm overnight without having to have the engine on. There's this useful little unit which houses a fridge. Just open that up. See a little fridge with a freezer box there. And there's also a domestic socket on top for plugging appliances into. Has got a leisure battery under the driver's seat there. And as you can see, it's fully carpet lined throughout the vehicle with the downlighters on the ceiling. And also the window blinds with the cassette just inside the Kombi window there, so you can just pull those down. It's a nice finish. Up here we've got an integrated reading light, so just tap touch that one, that'll come on. Moving to the rear, it's got the high level Sportline spoiler, carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector, and it also has the detachable tow bar too. So perfectly suited for outdoor pursuits. You can get a bike rack on that tow bar and get into the outdoors. Still a good amount of storage space behind the seat there. And this little box here, that houses a USB point and also the fuse board for controlling the electrics in the vehicle. Nicely protected. Over this side we've got your toolkit jack and also your tow bar. This little switch here is for the tailgate LED lights, and that's perfect if you're loading up in the dark. You can see exactly what you're doing. Super handy. This one's got the reversing camera too, as well as the rear sensors. Just looking down the driver's side there, you can see no dents at all. I'll show you the side view. You'll see just how well it sits on those coilovers. Take a look at the seats in here. Now we do offer a leather trimming facility at an extra cost, so if you wanted leather in here, that's something we can arrange for you. Just ask us about that. Mileage today, 49,359 miles. So below average mileage on the vehicle. This vehicle's got a full service history as well. It's had 3 services, which is more than it should have, as they're every 2 years at 20,000. It's also recently had the cam belt and water pump changed and the DSG oil, both essential bits of maintenance that don't come cheap. So if you're looking at and comparing to other vehicles, please do check they've had that work done, as it is essential. Now we've got 20 plus photos on the website, along with a full written description at martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. We do take part exchanges and offer finance facilities. So please do get in touch if you're interested in this vehicle. Thanks for watching.